everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Curliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is cover plate. Next week's theme will be treat box. So if you'd like to enter in on our collabs, make sure you use those hashtags. The other hashtag that we enter in is hashtag SatMornMakes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. The ladies' links will be down below. So like I said, this week's theme is cover plate, and we'll get to that cover plate in just one moment. But I am using my Creative Time Broken Heart dies, and I'm using this here. This is retired. I'm also using her Band-Aid dies. From Whimsy Stamps, I'm using the Oops. I don't know which one this one is. Anyways, I think this is unbranded die, and I'm using this right here. Here goes my cover plate. I'm using Positively Stitched Card Front die, and this is from Concord and 9th. So that's what I'm using for my cover plate. I'm also using from my Creative Time Take Care of Yourself, and I'm using Take Care of Yourself. And then also from Elizabeth Craft Designs Dashing Rectangles. So today I thought I would make a get well card. Oops, take care of yourself. Anyways, so I thought I would use that Positively cover plate die in the background. Added some Band-Aids there, and take care of yourself, and I put that oops in red and black so that it will really make it pop. But I love how it turned out. And then on the inside I just put used the dashing rectangles, and I had an extra heart, and I just added it on the inside of that card. But just so super cute. I love how it turned out. And if you have the time, make sure you enter in on our collabs and use those hashtags. Don't forget, next week's theme is treat box. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.